Great time to you! And today, we're diving into an exciting topic that might just change the way you think about exercise. It's time to lace up those sneakers and explore the incredible health benefits of race walking. Here we are with the first benefit, and that is cardiovascular fitness. Did you know that race walking is a fantastic low-impact cardiovascular workout? Unlike running, which can be tough on your joints, race walking provides an excellent way to boost heart and lung function. Plus, it's gentle on your knees. Another, not less great effect is calorie burner extraordinaire. Race walking isn't just a stroll in the park. When done correctly, it burns more calories than regular walking. Imagine the fat melts away as you maintain the brisk pace with proper technique. One more excellent issue of race walking is muscle active engagement. Race walking engages various muscle groups. Your legs, core, and upper body all work together. It's like a full body symphony of fitness. The fourth, not less valuable benefit is weight management. Looking to shed a few pounds? Race walking can help. It's an effective way to maintain a healthy weight while enjoying the great outdoors. Remember, whether you're a seasoned race walker or just starting out, the benefits are undeniable. So, grab a friend, hit the pavement, and race walk your way to better health. And that's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more fitness tips. Until next time, keep moving